Most people use ChatGPT daily, but they still don't understand its interface properly. Imagine unlocking more power from AI just by knowing the basics. That's exactly what we'll reveal today. Welcome to Idris Tech, where we simplify AI for everyone. In this guide, you'll discover exactly how to navigate ChatGPT's dashboard, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Let's start from the moment you open ChatGPT. The main screen greets you with a clean, modern dashboard. At the center, there's the chat box, your main space to ask questions. Anything you want to know, solve, or create starts right here. Whether you're typing, write a professional email, or explain networking in simple terms, your request goes into this box. ChatGPT's answers will appear just below, making interaction direct and seamless. On the left side, you'll see the sidebar. Here, you find your chat history, a list of your previous conversations. Each session is stored for easy access, letting you revisit, review, or continue working. The new chat button stands out here. Click it to start a fresh conversation, so you never mix up topics or ideas. This is especially useful when you work on multiple projects or switch tasks quickly. Above or within the sidebar, look out for menu or settings icons. These offer personalization and control. From here, you can manage your account details, adjust preferences, or explore advanced settings. Let's highlight each section. The chat box, your space to ask questions, tasks, and requests. New chat button. Start clean, focused conversations. Chat history. Revisit previous work, track your learning, or pick up where you left off. Menu/settings. Personalize your experience, manage your account. As you interact, ChatGPT offers handy options. You can edit questions to fine-tune your inputs, regenerate answers if you want alternative wording or ideas, and continue conversations to deepen your understanding. This flexibility means every session adapts to your needs. Depending on your account, some versions offer advanced tools. You might see file upload for sharing documents or image generation for creative work. Some also let you switch between different AI models, like GPT-4 or GPT 3.5, for varied performance and features. All these extras depend on your subscription plan. Let's recap. The chat box, your workspace. The sidebar, with history and new chat buttons, keeps you organized. Settings let you customize. Useful input and output options adapt ChatGPT to your workflow. Simple, powerful, and designed for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Idris Tech for more powerful AI tutorials. Start your AI journey today and stay ahead in the digital world.